Ryan over this way a little bit.
All right, so we are here in East Gatlinburg at the Smoky Mountain KOA. As you can see, the kids are taking advantage of full amenities out here. They have got the Switch hooked up. This is the first time we have been able to use this incredible projector, and I gotta say, I am pretty impressed with the picture quality. You see right there? Check it out, kids, y'all having fun? Yeah, say hello. So it's a wonderful morning. As you can see out here, we are walking the dogs. Daily occurrence as we go and throw the trash away. We were just discussing what is on the itinerary for today.
Yes, it's Sunday today. So we want to take advantage of no school and head into Gatlinburg today.
Yeah, figure we'll check out the town, pick up some supplies, and hopefully be able to get back in time to catch a football game.
Oh yeah, sorry.
All right.
But we're hoping to go see, take a scenic drive, maybe do an alpine coaster, I'm not sure.
Yeah, we'll see.
Explore a little bit.
Sounds good. Gatlinburg Mountain Coaster. Here we go. Got the wife and daughter behind. Alexander down here.
Hi.
A little sketchy. He's a little nervous, but that's all right. We're just gonna take it in stride.
I'm leaning so much.
No break. No break at all. Tick, 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 tick. So we just got off the coaster. It was absolutely awesome. This guy was thrilled afterwards. Nothing but smiles and giggles. I may have actually yelled and smiled the most. I don't know. How'd you like that?
She thought she was gonna die. She goes, I thought we're gonna die. Can we do it again?
How was it? We just got off the Gatlinburg Mountain Coaster. It was really cool. We actually went twice, or me and Alexander went twice. Alessandra, it was her very first roller coaster. Maybe a little too fast for her, but that's okay. She's big, she's brave, and she tackled it.
Yeah, she tried it, so good for her.
Yeah, it was awesome, a lot of fun. Unfortunately, the second time me and Alexander went, we got behind some slow people, and since it is one of the coasters that you control the speed, we were kind of at the mercy of whatever they were doing.
Yeah.
So, which our wallets were at the mercy of them too, apparently. So, anyways, had a great time. Very cool. Highly recommend it.
Super fast, easy, and we got lucky because we got here at a really good time and there was no line, so
awesome.
Even better.
The added benefits of staying at these KOAs are like these general stores that are right behind me here. We can get some necessities. We got some Tide Pods and some little fire starters, as well as some firewood that they will actually be dropping off on our campsite. So pretty convenient, huh guys?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Walking the dogs with myself last night and walked past this, and this is literally like in a horror movie, and I could not find the dog park. Obviously I was not by the dog park, so I went right back because it doesn't look as scary now with as much sun, but at nighttime not so much.
You want to start heading back so Alessandra didn't have to pedal uphill?
No, let's see what Grotto goes to.
Says every girl in the horror movie.
The next day, we went back to the Roaring Fork Motor Trail to do Grotto Falls. Grotto Falls was beautiful. It was the parking situation, not as fun, and we tried going at off-peak times, so people can say get there really early in the morning or really late in the afternoon. But honestly, we got there, we drove through there the first day like around 11-ish, packed. This time around 3-ish p.m., packed. So I don't even know where that time is where you're gonna find parking.
Well, and it may just be the time of the year. This is our
true.
first time going, so you know, it could be that time of the year with schools just about to start, and maybe it is a result of the COVID situation where just more people are out and about right now. But like you said, it was packed. The trail was packed, the parking was packed, the drive up there was packed.
Yes.
Everywhere we went, it was packed.
It was packed, but the falls are so beautiful, you guys, and you could walk right behind it. I've never been behind a waterfall, so that was awesome.
I tried to steal a kiss, but
you have to like hurry. That's the only thing is you have to hurry and go.
What's your favorite thing?
Holding Daddy's hand.
That's your favorite thing about hiking? I love it. You just earned brownie points right there.
Yes. I gave you brownies?
Whatever.
10 brownies.
She's a handful. Got back from the Grotto Falls. Fairly easy hike, 1.4 up, 1.4 down. The waterfall was really cool, wasn't it?
Yeah. Super cool.
Yeah, water was a little cold.
We went
Very
under
cool.
the waterfall. That was the best thing. And I touched the waterfall while we were behind it.
Yeah,
The pressure was amazing.
it was really cool. So what's your favorite thing about this hike?
Let's see. My favorite thing about this hike is seeing the little rivers where we would not talk, and seeing the waterfalls. We went behind it. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, it was, huh? Awesome.
And I touched the water.
Yes, she did. Another day, another hike. Today we're at Laurel Falls, 1.2 up, 1.2 down. There's a big payoff. Apparently there's an 80-foot waterfall up top. Excited?
Excited. Only we can make it.
Oh yeah, we'll make it. Okay, so we are here, Laurel Falls. You can see above and below. Quick, easy hike, about what, 25 minutes?
25 minutes.
25 minutes, so not bad at all.
Super easy.
And we did it with these guys. Cool hike.
one day.
Appalachian Trail.
You and me. Appalachian Trail.
You're on. So while in Gatlinburg, we stayed at Gatlinburg East, which is a KOA. One thing we did there, which was very convenient about this, is they actually had the Smoky Mountain Adventure Tours. So we got to load the family up into a 4-person RVer, which we'd never done before.
Yes.
And they actually took us on a 2-hour drive / tour through the Smoky Mountains. All right, so here we go. First time 4-person RVer. Going through the RV park, back into the Smoky Mountains. Excited, guys?
Yes.
Oh yeah!
It was so loud and we're only going 10 miles an hour.
I know. Now, the first 20 minutes was interesting.
Yeah, we were like, what is this? We were driving down the road and I was like, seriously?
We thought it was a scenic drive, and it was beautiful, it was nice, and you know, we were going the speed limit. And then all of a sudden, they stop. The guide comes out and he says, okay, go ahead and push this button. You know, push this button here. Okay, great. He jumps back in the car and boom, straight up the mountain. It changed from there.
Yeah.
We were rocking side to side, sliding down the mountain. It was a blast.
It was awesome. Being a backseat passenger with my daughter. She was so chill, just relaxed, and I could see like the cliffside on the sides. It was a little nerve-wracking sometimes, but it was awesome, and it was somehow weirdly relaxing. I think it was the weather and the noise.
The hum of the motor, I think.
Yes, but it was an awesome adventure.
So we're at the top of the Smokies after that awesome RVer ride. Take a look at this view. Alexander, what you think of that?
Amazing. So many mountains.
What's been your favorite part so far?
RVers. And
Of the ride?
of the ride, probably leaning side to side a lot.
Yeah.
Or going straight uphill.
Being so close to certain death. Stay tuned as we spend the holiday season a little more locally in the Texas area.
Yes, there's no better way than spending the holidays with your loved ones. So we will be staying around here and planning for the upcoming year. So see what we have in store. Yeah,
so make sure to hit that like and that subscribe.
Yeah, I don't know.
And check out the Instagram at
Streamin Dreams.
There we go. Thank you.
Bye, you guys.